So today we're going to try to make two different types of egg rolls from two different regions of Vietnam. That's why we have two different wrappers over here. So yeah, we're excited.
Okay.
So let's get started.
Yeah, today we have the shrimp here. And then we have salt, some pepper, and some sugar, and dried fungus, shallots, you can use regular onions too, ground pork, cellophane noodles, egg roll wrappers, and then spring roll wrappers.
So right now we're gonna make the fillings for the egg rolls and then we'll wrap it all up. So what we're doing now is we're gonna peel the shrimp. We're taking off the tail. It's mostly already pre-peeled. So Kim is putting in the pork.
I have black fungus here, and I have cellophane noodle here, and I am going to put water in it so it absorbs the water.
So now we have the shrimp all peeled, all ready to go. So what Kim is doing is putting the shrimp into the food processor, and we're gonna mince it up into tiny pieces so we can put it in the egg roll.
Yes.
We are making the filling. Now we are going to mince up the shallots. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Fastest mincing I've ever seen.
Yes, this is like a game changer. And I got it. Okay, so once it absorbs like this, it's ready, and you can just put it in. You can mince it manually, or you can use a food processor. And now I'm putting the last minced item into the bowl. But fish sauce, you have to double up. But the other one is 2.5 tablespoons.
So we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of sugar.
2.5 tablespoons of salt. Yes.
Now we got the pepper. Alright guys, so now we have all the ingredients in the bowl and we're gonna mix it up. This will be the filling. Get in there, girl.
Yes.
She is massaging that meat. Okay. So the egg will be used as a glue for the egg roll at the very end when you are rolling it. So for the northern egg rolls, you need to dampen the spring roll paper a little bit before putting in the filling so it's easier to wrap and roll. Yeah.
So first I peel it one by one, or do it as I go. Okay, so I fold it like this into 2 triangles, and then I make another 2 triangles like this that lines up to each other.
Kind of looks like an envelope.
Yeah, it looks like an envelope. And then I roll it. And then last, I use the egg as a glue. You could just use your fingers. All right, and that's another one.
So for this one, what you're gonna do is you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of meat because the wrapper is a little bit bigger. And then you kind of make it into a little sausage. Like so. And you fold one side over like this. Roll it halfway. Press down the sides like this. And then fold it over and inwards. And then fold the sides over once more. And then just roll the rest of it. There you have it.
Yeah.
All right, it's time to fry these egg rolls up. First, fill a third of the pot up with oil. Wait until it's bubbly. Then add the egg rolls in one by one. It takes about 7 minutes for it to be fully cooked, or you can tell when to take it out by the golden brown coloring. Make sure you let it cool before you take a bite because you really don't want to burn your tongue. For the northern style, be extra careful that they're separated well because it can stick more easily. Again, this takes around 7 minutes or until it's golden brown. There you have it, Vietnamese egg rolls, or chả giò.
Is it playing Tetris? Oh my god. That's so hard.
So if you guys don't know what we're doing, we have another camera up here and she's using her Apple Watch to try to find the perfect frame. If you're wondering what she's doing with the bowl, she's not really just...
I'm just moving the camera.
That'll be easier. Maybe move it higher.
Higher?
Because it's easier to crop, you know?
Okay.